Outdoors with James. You're watching Outdoors with James. So sit on down and watch this clown. You're watching Outdoors with James.
Hey guys, James here with James Outdoors. Hey, I got this really cool product that I got from a guy named Keith who runs Precision Cut Metals in Buna, Texas. Or Buna, Texas rather. I may be pronouncing that wrong. But it's called the Slot Grill. And I just want to go over it with you today, show you how it works, and cook up some steaks on it. This will be the first time using it. I'm pretty impressed with the materials and pretty impressed with how easy it is to put together. So let's put it together and put some fire on it. So first of all, you take off these two wing nuts that hold everything together. Everything folds flat. It's a real cool design. So you got your two wing nuts, two handles, two ends, and the body of the grill, and of course the top. Very heavily constructed, good quality material. Set this over here for now. So you notice on the legs you got an area with two slots and an area with one slot. So you take the one with the two slots first. Like so. It was hard to put together by yourself, but that's not true at all. It's really easy. You got these three slots down the bottom, just slip it all in. And there you go. There's the body. Real put together real nice, real easy, real strong. Then you got your lid for your grill surface. And that just fits right on top. You got two handles that come with it, and that's for lifting the hot grill face. So we're gonna put some let's put some charcoal in it and get her going. Nice wood. Get the old micro torch out. Get everything going. Put the cooking surface back on. That's probably where you need the handles, right here. On his website, Keith says there's a lot of people that are copycatting his idea, and one of the bigger ones is Walmart. They have a slot grill on their website for like $29, but I'm sure the metal's paper thin and it probably won't last very long.
Nope.
By the way, Keith didn't give me this grill. I paid for it with my own money. I went to his website and I ordered it, and it came here, and I was impressed with it, so I decided to do a video on it. I did contact him prior to making this video and informed him that I was going to put it on my YouTube channel, and he was more than accommodating and seemed kind of excited about it. Their website is precisioncutmetals.com or slot grill. and very intuitive website, and they're very quick to get back with you when you contact them. Very impressive customer service. As of this taping, the slot grill is $119, and I think it's like $40 shipping. Hey babe, how did your steak turn out on the slot grill?
Oh, it's amazing. So good.
Would you drink to that?
Oh, I sure would.
Here's to you, Keith. Good job.
You just watched Outdoors with James, Outdoor with James. This big buffoon hopes to see you soon. You were watching Outdoors with James. If you dig his jive, please like, share, and subscribe.